everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Isn't it looking pretty enough? Now with the help of these thin threads, keep on making these pleats. By crisscrossing your hair in this way, you will be amazed to see yourself in the mirror and these are going to adorn you. Let's proceed further. Again, take a thick rubber band like this and you have to roll your hair. Do 2 partitions in the hair and then make a beautiful circular bun like this. And with the extra hair left behind, you have to roll these extra hair into a bun like this and in a circular manner and then secure with the clips. Proceeding further, roll your hair in this way, twist it and in back and forth direction and then make a beautiful lovely circular bun and secure with the help of clutches. Now take partitions in the hair, thin partitions, and keep on making these patterns and roll your hair in this way till you get a lovely beautiful result. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Definitely it is. Now you have to make a bun like this, a bouncy looking bun, and you have to take the hairs out in this manner as we are doing in the video to give it a little messy look. Some messy hairs are personally our favorite, isn't it? Proceeding further, again making a ponytail and then securing with the clip with the extra hair left behind, circulate it in a circular manner and you will end up getting a beautiful lovely circular bun. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Damn! Now what you have to do, roll your hair in this direction with the help of your hair and then you have to put a beautiful clutch like this in order to secure it. Now with the help of your hair, by taking thin partitions, you have to make a beautiful pattern in this way and you will end up getting a beautiful lovely braid like this and you will be amazed to look at. Thank you so much.